Timbokre, a village in the Ribhoi district of Meghalaya, consisting of 45 households, was downtrodden with the burden of poverty when the National Green Tribunal banned the stone quarries in the area. The villagers here since been struggling for a basic livelihood. Despite the village being so near to Guwahati city, these former miners failed at getting any job due to their lack of education and proper skills. Mozoni, an NGO, saw this issue and came forward for their help. They partnered with NIPCO, North Eastern Electric Power Corporation Limited, and realized that the best way to help them was to educate the upcoming generation. They adopted a unique approach called NCPE, Non-Conventional Practical Education, wherein they teach the students 75% in practical and 25% in theory.
Our Prime Minister has a great vision for Atmanirbhar Bharat. And towards that end, the country is making long strides for imparting skill-based education and training to our youth. NIPCO, under its CSR scheme, has partnered with Mosonei Educational and Economic Foundation of Meghalaya, which is doing great work in the district of Ribhoi. We have devised a curriculum in association with Mosonei Education Foundation for imparting 75% skill-intensive training and 25% classroom training, which is proving to be very effective for achieving self-employment and employability of the younger generation.
The flagship government scheme, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, is also aimed to build and upgrade education facilities that are child and gender sensitive and provide safe, non-violent and effective learning environments for all. With an objective to make the schools better learning places and thereby promoting education, NIPCO supported Mosonei Socio-Economic Foundation in their attempt to bring the non-school going children of Timbokre and its adjacent villages to school.
NIPCO has constructed 2 classrooms under NIPCO's CSR initiatives, which allow the students to experience a proper classroom environment.
NIPCO has been contributing to the improvement in Ribhoi district performance in respect of education, health and nutrition. During the month of January 2021, Ribhoi district has stood first in respect of education in the NITI Aayog's Delta ranking. And I'm very happy to say that the contribution of NIPCO in respect of the classroom at Timbokre village will greatly impact the performance of the students of that area.
NCPE teaches agriculture, eco-adventure, health, tourism and mass media in parallel with CBSE-based curriculum. It is envisaged that these young minds will turn out to be social entrepreneurs in the near future.
Amar Kangot, Amar Bustit, Agodi school nasil, Amar NGO, Mosonei school, Amar Garone school to Lua Hill. Ito Amar NIPCO para building grand Higel, building what Amane, Lora Soli Black to that Higel. Ito sobsa Amar NIPCO Jai school building to desi, Yangator Boroto Amar Thonyobat disu, আর আমার এনসিপিৰ মাদাম আমাৰ এনজিও মছনি এনসিপি স্কুলৰ চাই লৈ আছে এইবিলাককো ধন্যবাদ দিছোঁ।
Mosonei Socio-Economic Foundation is very happy that NIPCO have extended building for our NCPE school at Timbokre. Our students are very happy now that they are able to have an all-weather, sun or rain or shine, they are able to be in the safe place where to study. And also our families, our parents are very happy that NIPCO have been able to look into the needs of the far villages. In the upcoming days, we look forward to NIPCO's active collaboration with our activities in different corners of the district.
We at NIPCO and Mosonei hope these villages would very soon be working hand to hand with the rest of the world, and that these future social entrepreneurs makes a positive impact on our society.